This 2017 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton Series 246 RLSWE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, 89122 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Las Vegas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.